Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Family and Consumer Sciences test? This is test number 5122. Praxis 5122 is a multi-subject exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of Foundations of Family and Consumer Sciences Education. Let's review some of the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Which of the following core values of family consumer sciences is supported by the Amendment of 1968? Conflict of interest, respect for diversity, integrity, or confidentiality? The correct answer here is respect for diversity. The core value of family consumer sciences supported by the Amendment of 1968 is respect for diversity. The Amendment of 1968, also known as the Vocational Education Amendments of 1968, aimed to provide equal educational opportunities to all individuals, including those from diverse and underrepresented backgrounds. This aligns with the core value of respecting diversity, as it promotes inclusivity and equal access to education. Why are the other answers incorrect? Conflict of interest. This is not related to equal educational opportunities. Integrity. This focuses on honesty and not inclusivity. And confidentiality. This pertains to privacy and is not addressed by this particular amendment. So respect for diversity is the correct answer. Problem number 2. In earlier years in America, the role of running a home was solely for a woman. Today, there are jobs that stemmed from the homemaking role that suited the skills that women innately established through building their families throughout the years. These jobs range from childcare workers to dietitians. What can be credited for the immense change that has occurred in the American education system and workforce? The Perkins Act, the Education Act, the Equal Education Act, or the Free Education Act? The correct answer here is the Perkins Act. The change in the American education system and workforce can be credited to the Perkins Act. The Perkins Act improved vocational education. It helped women transition traditional homemaking skills into professional roles. Why are the other answers incorrect? The Education Act. This is too general and does not specifically refer to vocational training. The Equal Education Act. This act focused on eliminating discrimination, so that's not correct either. The Free Education Act is not related in any way to vocational education or workforce changes. Thus, the Perkins Act is the key driver behind these changes. Problem number 3. When a student is required to think through their learning by talking to their peers, asking questions, and sharing ideas, the student is doing what type of learning? Interactive, engaging, cognitive, or active? Interactive learning focuses more on the interaction between students and technology or between students and teachers. So we can eliminate that answer. Engaging learning is a broader term that can describe any method that captures students' interest and keeps them involved in the learning process. So let's cross that out as well. Cognitive learning focuses on the internal processes involved in learning, such as thinking, understanding, and remembering. So we can cross that out as well. The correct answer here is active learning. This involves students actively participating in their learning process rather than passively receiving information. When students talk to their peers, ask questions, and share ideas, they are actively engaging with the material. This process helps deepen their understanding and retention of the subject matter. Therefore, active is the correct answer here. Problem number 4. Mrs. Matson teaches family and consumer sciences at a rural school. The school has developed specific standards that her class needs to know and understand. This helps the teachers work together instead of independently teaching on random topics. What type of curriculum is the school most likely utilizing to accomplish this? Standard-based curriculum, no specific type of curriculum, student-focused curriculum, or administrator-led curriculum. The school is most likely utilizing a standards-based curriculum. This type of curriculum ensures that all teachers follow specific standards, helping them work together and ensuring consistency in what students learn across different classes. The other options are not correct. Why? No specific type of curriculum. This would not ensure coordination in teaching or consistency in standards, so that cannot be correct. Student-focused curriculum. This focuses on individual students' needs and interests and not necessarily on coordinated standards. Administrator-led curriculum. This would involve decisions made primarily by the administration and not specifically ensuring consistency or standardization across classes. Therefore, the school is using a standards-based curriculum to ensure teachers work together and teach consistent content. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of Foundations of Family and Consumer Sciences Education for the Praxis 5122 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.